Hi everyone, Soren here from RMS Vocal Institute. We get some questions sometimes. For example, how should I stand when singing? How should I sit down when singing? Let's look into posture, shall we? Well, first of all, we all make mistakes. I make them as well when singing. You don't want to stand like that when singing. But sometimes you just want to move around. And it's rock, it's metal, of course you should. Move around and such, but do it in between the singing. Otherwise, have a good posture. It is possible. A good idea would be to record yourself and see if there's anything you can do better. Let's start with the feet. We do not try to put the weight all the way to our heels. It's pretty hard to stand like that. Don't sing like that either. If anything, slightly bent knees so you can feel your thigh muscles getting activated. And if anything, a little bit forward on your tippy toes if needed. At least standing with your weight a little bit forward seems to help a lot of you guys. So first we started with the feet and the legs. After that, we go to the torso. Vroom. The torso is made out of so many parts that it's almost impossible. So the easiest way, in my opinion, for the brain to accept this is think that someone got you with a fishing hook, where we are soft right here. So you kind of get a little bit up because we have that tendency to be a little bit relaxed in the back. Do not get it up, lift up. Feel that your torso is a little bit lifted, if anything. When you feel that, you can feel your lower back doing the bend that you want it to. And in general, this is how you see people sing opera. They do not stand like this or anything like that. So stand up, be proud, kind of a thing, right? Live it out. And now it's the shoulders and the arms turn. We do not strain a lot in the arms. We do not use a lot of muscle mass in the arms if possible. We do not want the shoulders to go all the way up front. Basically, like we talked about before, when the chest is lifted, make the arms give them a little go up and go down. That's kind of what we're looking for. So do not strain the arms. And when we do this, hey, hey, kind of a thing to get the crowd moving, notice please how if you do it with a lot of muscle in the arm, you will feel this strain where the voice box lives. Please try not to do this. If anything, squeeze the hand only, so all this stuff is not connected as much. So when you do this, it's not as much. You can still make the move and make people do what you want them to do. You just simply do not put all that muscle in the arm, okay? And now it's the next turn. You have heard probably other singing teachers tell you to get all the way up to a ball. Makes a lot of sense. You do not want the head to go up or down, at least not a lot. Small things, fine, but do not overdo it. You cannot hold the pitch that you started on. So I will show you. That is not the same tone or the same pitch. And it even hurt and it made a glottal strain. It did not feel good at all. So all this stuff, stop it. We do not do that. It's not a healthy way to do it. So please try not to. While sitting down, you want to just know that the air capacity seems to be a little bit less. So I at least felt that I started pushing more than needed suddenly when standing up. So just make sure at least that you are not only sitting down when singing and practicing your singing. I know sitting with the piano, if you're doing that, or the guitar, at least with the guitar you can get up, but the piano of course is a little bit harder. So try to find somewhere in between. Let's talk about everything posture-wise. You want, again, the straight back, sit straight. Your thighs either needs to be in a 90-degree angle, or we want the thighs to go a little bit up or down, how you want to look at it, at least more of a standing up position. We want the thighs to be activated while singing, but so you can lean the weight a little bit up to your toes and get that chest up and sit and sing. Again, notice that you're straight. It is a little bit harder in my opinion, but it is possible. And now that we're at it, let's take a few other small questions. Gender. It does not change anything when it comes to distortion. I have seen a lot of teachers talk about it on the internet, saying this and that. The main difference is a girl will probably have a higher pitched timbre than a male. A male has a frequency sound in between 80 to 150 hertz. Females is 180 to 300 kilohertz in frequency. That's what determines the sound characteristic of a male or a female. So gender doesn't matter. It's just, again, if a male sings a low pitch, the female might, if it's a very low one, might need to go a little bit lower setup wise to hit that pitch than a male would. And again, when we go up, well, females might be able to hit higher pitch than males. That's all it is. But what does matter is age. You have to be around 17 years of age to start learning distortion. You cannot do it before. It will hinder your development in how you use your true chords. So please don't. If you are a natural, then it's something else. What is a natural? I will tell you. It is basically someone who never had to practice to do this. And someone who can make the sound production again and again without losing their voice. My daughter is able to do that. She's 3 years old and she has heard me record vocals in her mom's belly, basically through her mom's belly, basically mainly growls. And suddenly she started imitating my sounds because of course I'm practicing at my home as well, doing different sounds and so forth, different distortion types. And she picked up on the ventricular one, the ventricular fold distortion, the growls and all this fun stuff. So she's able to do it. So let's watch a little clip from earlier where I was standing here with my daughter. This is my daughter Anna. Hi. Can you wave? Hi. So how old are you, Anna? You're 3 years old. Yeah. So I heard that you can make monster sounds just like me. Wow, Anna. Can you say something else? Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you daddy?
Daddy.
Wow. Can you say mama?
Mama.
And then make a big monster sound. Mama.
Mama.
Wow. Can you say one?
One.
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 Two.
Two.
And again, monster sound. You are the best in the universe. So you're only 3 years old, right? Yeah, only 3 years old. And you can already make all these sounds. So you can as well. Right? Can you wave? Awesome, Anna. And here is Rocky's daughter. She can also do distorted singing simply because her mom did it as well. And she has not practiced it either. Rocky showed her and she instantly picked up on it.
Baba. Baba. Baba.
So, as you see, both our kids, both our daughters are able to make these distorted phonations. So, they are what we would call naturals if they keep on doing it. If they stop, then what happens is they will forget, and then they would have to wait until they're 17, just like the rest of us. So I hope this really helped a lot, Otherwise, contact us at rmsvocalinstitute.com. See you there.